Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we are in a different setup because I thought this content would be more suitable outside of my studio. I have realized there's a lot of echo, so hopefully you guys can still hear me, but I'm gonna have to plow through this since this is more of a empty home. Personally, Magicplan has been incredibly useful, so I wanted to introduce to you guys. Magicplan is a software or the app that lives inside of your phone or iPad, which allows you to survey and draw accurate plan of built structures. And I'm sure a website states a lot more accurate information, so let me just kind of read off of it. Transform built space into data. Magicplan, the #1 floor plan app. Magicplan lets you create floor plans with your mobile device, scan a room in 30 seconds, use a floor plan app for materials and cost estimation, 3D models, virtual tours, and more. So I found this really useful, and I'm here to just kind of walk you through the process of it and introduce you guys how useful this may be into your workflows. Obviously, their website's gonna contain a lot more information than what I can actually cover in this video, so be sure to check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go to their website. And whilst Magicplan works on your smartphones, whether it be Android or iPhones, I thought it would be easier to screen record and show you guys on the iPad. So I'm gonna use this one right here. And to start off Magicplan, you're gonna go to App Store and download that. I already have it here, so I'm gonna just touch on it to load up. And here you will probably have one project that is an example for you, but I have a few more projects on my screen since I have already worked on those before. I'm gonna go to New Plan, which is a big plus button here in a new room. And then there's gonna be a first button, scan with camera. And I'm gonna leave a ground floor and then living room because I am standing in the middle of living room. And then it will show this sort of screen. So move your device in circles. I'm gonna do that and it's gonna say it is ready to go. So I'm gonna walk outside of this video now. So hopefully you guys can still hear me, but I can find this corner right here, and then I can just click on add corner, and then walk over to another corner, and then basically click on add corner again, and then I can just walk straight across, and it will just kind of snap into places, and then just click on this corner again, and then again I can find that corner, click, and then I can find this corner here, like so, and then click, and then I can walk over to here, and then trace that there, and then perhaps click on here, and then here, and then back to where I have started from. Or I can just click on done here, and then I can increase the height, point to the ceiling, and then set height right there. And then I can point at window or door. So for example, I got window right here, so I can say detect, and it's automatically going to detect what sort of opening that is. It already has registered as com window. And then I can go over here and then say detect. And in this case, it has registered as double hinge door, so it is not. So I can just go into swing door, there you go. And then for example, this one here is a little pantry. Click on detect, and then it's gonna register as a swing door. And there's a bunch of cabinetry, but I'm not worried about that one for now, for simplicity. And also there's an opening, so I can just click on detect. And then in this case, I can just click on opening, and then that's it. And I can just click on done. And as soon as you click done, you'll have the plan ready for you to view, and then all the measurements are going to be shown for you. And you can just kind of pinch or drag to move your view, or you can actually adjust certain things on your screen as well. If you had made a mistake, you can just undo, and you can also see the doors and windows that are highlighted. In this case, it is not supposed to be actually the swing door, so I can just click on that one and then click on door type. Instead of swing door, it's going to be hinge door. So that changes to hinge door, and then that one as well. So I can just click on this door again, door type, and then hinge door. There you go. And let me just make sure it is in fact swinging that way. So this one is swinging this way, and then this one is actually supposed to be flipped. So I can just click on this door again, and then rotate door. So there you go. So it is swinging the right way. And let's just double check the measurements. And the longest wall on the right side, it is being called out as 22 feet and 2.5 inches. So I'm gonna make sure that is indeed the case. I have a nifty laser for me to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that. So it is reading as 22 feet and 3 inches. So that is definitely accurate, as it is only a ½ inch off. Obviously there's gonna be some tolerances, but I never had to track every single wall that I went over with either the tape measure or the laser that I have used. So this is the one that I already have populated. In this case, you can see 2 different floors, ground floor and second floor. And then here, as you scan multiple rooms, you can either move them, rotate them, however you need to, and then just put them together. However, I'm gonna undo that since that's not what I want. And then if I wanna go to living room, I can just tap on that one and then go to enter room. And as I am this space, you'll see that these red markers, which is to repair note. So this one has a little crack on the window header, so you can see that picture. And if I choose to have more picture, I can go ahead and take picture of, and then click on done, and then that picture will be added in there. And then also I can add different type of objects by clicking here, and then perhaps stove cooktop, and then rotate that however I need to. It's actually right here. Add an object, and also go to kitchen cabinets. I want to choose a big one here, and then just rotate that, and like so. So you can easily populate all of this in a very accurate manner. If you need to change the wall dimension or pull certain type of wall out, you can choose to do so as well. And then you can exit room, and you can populate that quite easily. And if I exit the floor, I can also go to estimate, tab here, and it shows the ground floor, living room, and the square footage. If you had additional information, it will show the price of all of those put together, and then you can choose to export in different files. So here you have variety of different file formats, whether it be PDF, JPEG, PNG, SVG, CSV. So you can send files via those formats and also have statistics. And I have that report downloaded as a PDF on my computer, and I can share that with multiple people. But I can also download a 3D file where I can use it for SketchUp or Revit, however I decide to utilize those data. And those would be really useful since I don't have to measure every single wall around the home. So I already have used Magicplan in multiple projects, whether it be residential or commercial. It tends to work much better on tight spaces since you can go through spaces much quicker. And as the website suggested, the 30 seconds per room, you can certainly do it, and going through the entire house wouldn't be that long of a process. I was able to do it within 30 minutes, and it seemed to be very accurate as well. And by the time I drive home, it's gonna generate a report for me, and I can receive that via email. So if you're also architectural designer like me, or any architect alike, or even home inspector and maybe appraiser or real estate, or someone who's just looking for a home to buy, then this will be incredibly useful app to have. You can certainly try with their trial program. So definitely do check out their website if this is something that you found interesting or useful for yourself as well. So it is very apparent that technology has really come a long way. The AR cameras of iPads, the tablets, or your smartphones are able to basically track and give you an accurate report of the homes that you live in or the spaces that you are interested in. So I'm very impressed about this technology and the app that is able to utilize that data and present a very useful functionality to professionals like us. So I thought I would mention it to you. If you have liked this content, please like and subscribe to my channel for contents like this. Hopefully the sound and the lighting wasn't too bad since this was outside of studio. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I'll see you next time. Bye.